Using the auxiliary heater whilst camping is simple, all operated from the control panel inside. Select Auxiliary Heater to heat your California using the vehicle's fuel tank. You can select which heating level you would like there and then. Simply select Heat Continuously to keep the heating at that level, or Heat Immediately, which will start a pre-selected heating program to run for up to 120 minutes. A white heating symbol is displayed in the top right of the screen once the heater has been activated. Any emissions generated by the auxiliary heater are removed via the exhaust pipe. So always ensure the exhaust pipe is not blocked by any objects, including mud or snow. And never leave the auxiliary heater running if your California is in an enclosed or unventilated space. To warm your California before you get on the road, departure times can also be set in the heater settings menu. You can even use the California app on your phone to operate the heater and set departure times. The Volkswagen California. Enjoy your freedom.